god, this is absolutely insane. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm in Brisbane, Australia. Just met up with my sis and her fella, and I'm going to do a little vlog of the city, showing you guys some sandboarding, rock climbing. I'm going to try some of the local food and find some of the local wildlife for you. I didn't plan on making another video vlog whilst I was in Australia. I was going to wait till I get to Indonesia, but with weather looking like this, such a lovely day, it would be rude not to. So, first scene, cut to me outside doing the first activity of the day. Alright guys, plan of action today. We're going to go to the climbing wall now. It's only a short drive away. We've got my sis here. She's going to be driving us. And Bo, hello. He's also going to be the driver. So sis is navigating, Bo's driving, and I'll just be vlogging it all, making sure that you guys come along with us and see how it is. So let's go. Urban climb.
So how do I get out?
So if you go
left or right?
Go right.
Urban climb west. Fobs.
Yeah. West Park or something. Fobs. Not Fobs. Fobs is the key. The key's here.
Get out of this.
Oh, the car feels really light. What's going on? Which lane, please?
Just straight on.
If in doubt.
Both lanes go straight. There you go. Look at it.
All of them.
And just like that, folks, we're on the roads. Heading first, we're going to go to the climbing, and then after climbing, we haven't planned it yet.
Straight up.
Straight on. Straight on.
Straight up there.
Yep. I'm navigating as well, just to let you know, guys. Multitasking. That's how we do it on this channel.
Too stressed.
There, guys, it's Brisbane City right there. That's town, that's where his hotel is. And now we're heading towards South Bank. 1k on this road straight. Oh, put your handbrake on.
Yeah.
Right, just like that, guys, we have arrived at our destination. Rock climbing. Indoor. Don't know why it's indoor. There you go. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Right.
Just without the harness, just go on.
As fast as I can.
No harness.
Yeah. Recording it. Talking to myself. Screaming.
Oh, is it worth getting some short?
This is class, look at this, everyone. Check out that. Never done this before. Any top tips, Bert?
Grip, climb, use your legs. So if you use your legs over your arms, and you'll save it. You got it.
We're all ready.
You
Time for a safety briefing. Yeah, I can do that. I'm not allowed though, am I? Not until I've done the safety briefing.
That blue one, please.
Oh man, you make it look easy.
Yeah, I normally climb like not on this, like just actual mountains.
Right.
The roads.
All right.
So, Helen?
Yep.
What was your name, sorry, friend? Will. Will, beautiful. Lovely to meet you. You guys are going to be buddies, basically.
Yeah,
my name is Amy. If you couldn't tell, I'm running your safety demo. Decide who's going to fly first or who's going to play first. You both have to do it, so, you know, just who wants to do it first?
Yep, that's fair. Shoot. Wait, what was that? Do it again. My brain's not with it. Go, shoot. Oh, look at that. I win. Yeah, I'm climbing first. Let's do it. Yeah.
These are your 2 start holds. They might be in different spots, but yeah, just find the 2 start tags. What I'll get you to do, you're then going to climb all the way to the top for me. Before you jump, I just need you to look around, and then remember feet, thumbs back. Hands
Fall.
across the chest. Yep.
Alright. Right, yeah, man. Are you done your safety briefing? Alright, cool. Do you want me to show you a thing or two? Or
Yeah. Let's.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right, you ready? Ready?
Oh, you did it too.
Oh, am I doing the safety demo?
Well, first off, look.
Alright.
Don't touch that if you're not going to use it. This is only for people that use it. If you want to use it, one leg up, wait your turn, make sure there's no one there.
There we go. Yeah, you want some chalk?
Gonna show us.
Wait, shout bogey, and then it's all yours.
Gotcha.
Chalk it up.
Yeah, there we go.
Right. So, 2 hands on the bricks at all time. No harness. That's the starting point.
Yeah.
So, 2 hands.
That's fantastic.
And when I say go,
You got it.
when I say go, you go all the way up.
Yeah.
1.
Brilliant.
Turn.
No, 2 hands to the top.
Wave.
No, you need 2 hands on the top one.
2 hands on the top, right? Not 1 hand. Slowly come down. All the way down. And then break forward.
Oh, close. Yeah.
Really good for his shoulder.
Go again.
That's it, 6.
Yeah. Nice.
All the way up. Don't forget to brake fall. Brake fall.
Just do whatever.
Is that good?
Yeah, really one of your best ones, I think.
Right, sweaty now. Time for a palmy, I think. Woo! My turn.
Watch out.
Whoa!
Yeah, that was awesome. Your turn. Away.
Tell you something, lad. That is not as easy as it seems. You really feel the height when you're up at the top. Go on, sissy. 2 hands. And then when you're abseiling down, you've got to trust the person spotting you, I'll tell you that much. Your life depends on it. Hard stuff. There she comes, our sissy. I see why people like it, that's a good rush. But I shan't be doing it again anytime soon. It's enough climbing for one day. Let's go get some lunch. What are your thoughts on the climb so far, sis? Scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate it?
9.
What was the best bit of it?
I loved seeing your safety roll 12 hours. Fantastic.
And what was the best? What was the best bit? What was the worst bit? I mean,
My hands.
what's wrong with them?
So.
Oh no! See that, guys? That's what happens when you're climbing hard. You get big calluses. Oh, thank you. What about you, Bo? How's that rate for your climbing expertise?
Good. Enjoyable. How was it for you?
Hey?
How was it for you?
Scary, man. I didn't think I'd be so petrified, but I don't really do heights. So when I was up at the top, no, I like to be in control. But don't we all? Isn't that the fear of heights, not having control? Final time, 1 minute 20 seconds. Well, a minute, guys, I don't think I'm going to top that. I really don't think I'm going to beat my old sis at this climbing nonsense.
You got it.
You nailed that.
That was quite tricky.
Oh, man.
Go on, bro. I am dying.
Hold on. Film my knees. Who won, by the way? Right, guys, quick update. We just finished the climb. We're now about to go to Simpson's Falls to go for a quick swim and go get some scran. So come and join us as we drive there now. Oh, sorry. And just like that, people, 15 minutes outside of the city and we have arrived in nature. Look at it. Great thing about Australia, don't need to go far to get away from the hustle and bustle. The scran has been acquired and we're now going to find a nice little place to have a picnic, sit down, chill out, nice hot weather and enjoy life.
Wait, Sam, I got it.
What?
I got it here.
You want that one in here?
Yeah.
Yep, stick it all in.
I might get thirsty. You're like carrying weight.
Look at that, guys, not even out of a car park yet. First little bit of nature just spotted up there. Don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can zoom in on this GoPro. Got ourselves a lovely pair. Right, yeah, that's about as close as I can zoom in. I'll zoom it in even more when I edit it, but you can see them sleeping in the middle of the day, avoiding the heat. Unlike us, about to go enjoy this picnic. A nice, beautiful summer's day down here in Australia.
Excuse me, they're actually wide awake, grooming.
No, they're sleeping, definitely. I saw it. What is it?
Oh, it's been stung. Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, stone? What do you mean?
Starting this friendship or something.
That'll be alright. Yeah, he'll sort himself out. There's no predators here in Australia, he'll be fine. Oh, bless him. Some bread. Oh, he's a bit scared, isn't he? Yeah. Well, when he's less scared, he can eat it. You go, lad. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Look, he's eating it. He's gonna pose for the camera. He's posing for the camera, Mr. Lorikeet. Look at that. There you go, lad. See, life isn't that hard. Right, we've decided we're going to give this little lorikeet a little bit of water because it's a very hot day and he needs something to wash down that bread. So I'm going to go back and give him this little tub of water. There you are, lad. Don't scare him. He's just enjoying his meal. You alright, lad? He's not actually that scared. That is not cute. I don't know what is. Right, I'm going to leave him be. Because obviously when you find a little wild animal like that, the most important thing is that you give it space and you don't make it feel scared or threatened. And he's probably a little bit camera shy, isn't he? Check it out, man. Orb spider.
It's not orb, that.
Is that not an orb? Yeah, orb's the family, isn't it?
Yeah, but that one makes squiggly lines.
Oh, that's you.
Squiggly line spider,
Squiggly
huh?
lines, so it's bigger.
It's only a little one. The hunt continues for more great animals in Australia. What am I going to do? I don't really fancy hopping rocks.
Go on, piggyback. I can actually piggyback, yeah?
Yeah, go on. Here we go. Alright, go.
I actually can. I've piggyback loads of people. I won't let the piggyback in there.
Woohoo! Ah! What are sisters for, eh? Guys, we've just found our first laughing kookaburra and a drongo side by side. That is awesome. Obviously you can't see it on the video. I'll find a way of zooming in, or I'll tell you what, I'll try and get a little bit closer so you guys can see them up close and properly. I'll try wade through here without getting bit or poisoned by some ivy as well. Let's see how close we can get. Ah, they've flown. Darn it. Oh my god, there's a huge orb web spider. No, okay. Bailing it. You just have to take my word. Laughing kookaburra, feather-tailed drongo. Complete, ashy drongo. Completed it, mate. Oh, prayed mantis. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's pretty awesome. Well camouflaged. Good spot, sis. Take my hand. And we're off again.
And as always, don't follow me, make your own way up. You're gonna make your own way up. That's right.
Follow your own path in life, guys. Don't follow the path of others. Make your own, forge your own journey.
How are you going to be with one hand?
Oh, it's alright, I'll manage. Be your own boss. You know, if you want to go a certain way, no one else wants to do it, just follow it. Because every window is a door of opportunity, or the other way around. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's go. It's worth a view, isn't it? Worth $1,000 freaking dollars. This place. Look at that. Proper waterfall. Ignore the dirty water. Oh, welcome to Australia, mate. What did I say a minute ago? Follow your own path, unless of course it's dangerous, in which case take the path that others have forged. This is a slippy bit, guys. One wrong move, your life could be in jeopardy. But look, don't let the risk scare you. Woohoo! Yeehaw! Whoa! Man, guys, oh my god, this is absolutely insane. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Ah! This is it, guys, the final little step of the climb, and then we're already at the top. Will it be worth it? Will we survive? Of course we will. I shouldn't be watching this vlog, would you? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Not fall at the last hurdle. Woohoo! What a day, guys. Climbing, chasing waterfalls, saving birds. Like, that's the best thing about Australia, isn't it? You can do so much here and it's free. I didn't pay for the climbing. So you know what I mean, you can come out into nature and you just get away. You don't have to pay nothing for sites like this other than a flight ticket and a short drive. Look guys, I said it 1,000 times. You can take the path others have forged, you know, absolutely fine and dandy, but then you don't get to see spectacular things like this, do you? And isn't that what living is all about? Oh look, you can see the city. That's kind of cool. Forge your own path. Oh, it's not so bad. Not so bad at all, huh? Look at that. Just bro and sis and Bo just having a nice little swim in this lovely clean lagoon. I ain't going under though. The camera can. Alright guys, we're finishing off here because it's going to get dark pretty soon, so we're going to head back to the apartment hotel thing and then sort out what we'll do for dinner. So cut to me back at home. Don't know if a camera can pick up that one guys, but check out, oh my god, check out the size of that orb spider. Can you see it? Jeez, that's just gross. Right, time to go. Oh, he's got you. He's spotting you. Come on sis, you got this. Forge your own path, don't listen to Bo. Go where you want to go. It's wild. I can feel my skin just smouldering. Life of a ginger. It's never easy, is it? Oh, back massage. Kookaburra guys, just spotted it. Ah, shiza. Oh, he's perched. Gotta get him. Can you see it on that tree? There he goes. Ah. He's got some, oh, that's probably why he's running away from me. He's caught something. Probably caught a little lizard or something like that. They're part of the kingfisher family. Basically a giant kingfisher. There he is in the tree, you can see him. Beautiful. Or is it a blue wing? Either way, you can't see it on this. So it doesn't matter, does it? Back to the path. Oh, just on his way back, guys. Look what we've stumbled across. Beautiful. Focus, focus. Beautiful little shell of a cicada. That's what they look like, guys. Nice. Alright guys, that's just about wrapping up the vlog for today. I think I'm out of memory on the GoPro, and also it's been quite a long one, so I need to get home and edit this video now. Do message in the comments where you want me to go next. Obviously, you know I'm in Brisbane and then the Sunshine Coast for the next week. And then on the 28th I go to Indonesia. So if you've got any ideas for content, let me know in the comments. I'll have a read through them, see if I can come up with some more cool footage for everyone. Until then, subscribe to the channel guys, and I'll see you on the next episode.